Ke nna Mpho Masia, ke na le 27 years, ke dula mo Mamelodi Extension 4. Ke ngwaletse lekunutu cause ne ke nyaka thuso go kry-a nnete ka batswadi ba ka. Ko mme o mongwe o nna Khutsong ba re ke Mamonisi. I was born ka di 15th of May ka 1998. Ke kry-etse ko Khutsong. Ke kry-a ke mme wa nghodisitseng lebitso la ke Helen Masia.
Nna ke nna Fundi Helen Masia. Mpho is my daughter, my third daughter. And gore ke kry-a Mpho, it was on the 15th of May 1998. A le ka mahara plastic ya matlakala enso. Ba mo repile ka di-newspaper. Then ra mo nka ngwana ra mo kenya ka mo ntlong. Ka mo godisa up till today. Yeah, ne ke itse Mamonisi like my neighbor. E nako ntse iya a ba ya ka mo next door. A botsa mma ka mo next door gore ngwana o ke mo topileng. Papa hae ke Richard ke setlolosa ka mola or o mo ba re ke Selby. O kila ya le ko mma ka mo next door a re yena a robale ha tswalla matho o bona sefatlhego sa Mpho. Mamonisi na hiriseditse bana young kids ba ne ba federal studies tsa bona ko Tshwane College. Bana ba le ba nnang ka mola ne ba nna le bontate ba mo motseng a rana business ka bona. So nna ke na le suspicion ya gore Mmage Mpho ke one of the students ba ne ba nna ko Mamonisi.
Ke nyako ya ko Mamonisi cause ditaba tse tsotlhe tse di thoma re di tlile ka ena gore mama ka ke e kebe e le mang, papa ka e kebe e le mang. So that's why ke nyako ya ko ena a nthusa o kry-a nnete.
Dumelang sanibonani ayeba kayino namhlanje seMamelodi Sishaya sidume ngazo ukusiza abantu badile ngamakunutu noma imfihlo esezibaqakile. Namhlanje ke ngibhalelwe uMpho ngaphandle kokuchitha isikhathi asishone khona sibone ukuthi simsiza kanjani. Igama nguNtombi uMangcobo kwaMzola udlanga amandla uGasomshisa umbungelwa umnisi wemvula ke rilena ke lekunutu. Udlali emelana. Let's go. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good and you?
Kishapu. Tell me why we are here.
The reason why ke ngwaletse lekunutu ke nyaka gore lekunutu le nthusa gore ke late Mamonisi a utlwele sephiri sa mpotsa gore batswadi ba ka ke bo mang.
Ke mang Mamonisi?
Mamonisi ne le neighbor ya mama, the foster mom of Christine.
O ba lutsitse jwang batswadi ba hao to a point that motho na leng information ke Mamonisi?
My foster mom nantse ka ntlong so watla these two guys ba tla ke from go back opposite ya bona ba re ba totile ngwana. So mama atla a ba motho ngwana o kae ba ya ko sini. Then ba bitsa mapodisi paramedics
So
ngwana o ke nna.
And how old were you, my baby? Did they tell you gore ba thotse o
ne ke sa o fetsa go belegwa ba nkisa sepetlele. And then after 11 days, mama le papa, the late here, bare social worker ba botsa gore ngwana ka rana le hae re tlamisa go. Then mama le papa ba decide gore bona ba tlantse ba nkgodisa till Tuesday.
And then taba ya Mamonisi le gore Mamonisi has information itswa kae?
Mama na tlhale song la this other lady le le chomi ya koko. Ha fetsa ko lesong mama na re o dumedisa di neighbors tsa hae tsa khale. So it happened or a tsena ko Mamonisi a re o dumedisa. Mamonisi ha fitla o botsa mama re ke no nyaka mama Mpho na. Mama re no a ka tlela teng. Le ke nyaka banyana ba ne ba nnang ko wena ka 98 ke nyaka mabitso a batho ba ne ba nna mo. So itse mama fetsa tsamaya a tsena ka mo next door ya Mamonisi. A tlilo dumedisa. Then ha fetsa tsamaya Mamonisi a ya ka mo next door ya hae. Ka Austin a botsa Austin gore go na le possibility ya ngwana hao the late Richard e ka bele papa Mpho. And mama Mpho ke suspect gore ke Dokasi or Matlodi
because abuti o na utlwana le bona ba le
bona ba le two. O mention mo papeng o mention o itse ke Richard or Selby. So Billy le Richard ngal di best friends. So never ratana le banyana ba one ka nako e one.
And then taba e ya fitla jwang ko lona?
Aujing o fonetse mama te a fetotsa mahe a mmotsa hore Mamnisi o tlile a re so. Mama ba no a thomo ho nyakisisa nnete. Be ra ya habo o re ile ko Richard. Re ile meeting re le Richard ra bolela. And then we re ditini but ya ka rora se match. Then last year ra ya habo Selby. Re ro nyakisisa me be ka re ditini. A dumela but the day before lo ira DNA a stlwa khona.
Why?
A re fale ra ka utsa ra ka stlwa khona. So ra no tlohela fela be.
So today o batla re se jwang he? I'm here today o batla re o thuse jwang?
So na ne ke nyaka re ko Mamnisi ka jeno. Like I'm polelo re batswadi ba ka ke bo mang. Then if le hona ha khono bolela nnete ora ha ba itse still okay. But ne ke nyaka re a ntlhalose if una wa itse re batswadi ba ka ke bo mang.
But lona le believer gore wa itse. And then what if ore ha itse?
Sale sharp, it's okay. Re nka se mo hapelletsa ke.
Why didn't you go to Memunisi le yena le utlwe gore o reng before calling us gore a le jwetse whatever she knows?
Mamnisi sela ra ya ko yena. So the later tlhalosetsang o boletse ka o pele o mentionele batho ba itre. Docas Mahlodi le Aniki.
Okay.
So o re tlisetse buka e nngwe ne ngwetse thogo a kitse nane something ene ba ngwalang banyana ba re ba dile marmo ngwa ha e bonahale.
Okay. So you did go to Mamnisi. Okay, so why do you want to go to Mamnisi again if you've gone to Mamnisi?
The last time Maria mama o krile lead engwe a mmutisa via phone. So Mamnisi a yena mama ba utlwana pila mo phone a mmotsa re yena ha ile re o nyaka re internet re bitsa batho ba le kuno.
Go to Mamnisi.
So Mamnisi that's why re le bitse mo ka tsena.
Yo, okay. Okay, it makes sense now. Because ne ke batla understand na go tsore whatever she's told you there's information that she's possibly left out. So ke kopa gore ke in the other car re tsamaye re thole Mamnisi so that we can find out what is the secret that she has kept. Say a sa batleng go le jwetsa yona unless we are here. Ne? And I'm hoping for the best. I hope whatever she has to say it will thusa so that you can find out gore batswadi ba hao ke bo mang. Okay? Hurry here, you can go in the other car. Okay. Thanks, my dad. Mama, unjani? Ngiyaxolisa ukukustressa uyihlalele bathungu. Igama lami uNtombi, uMangcobo wakwaMzolo. Bangithumile lana, I've got a message for you, so I'm just gonna play it for you. O tla lebella mo and then itlo dlala mo message ya teng ne mama.
Dumela Mamnisi, ke nna Mphomasia wana aus Helene. Ke ngwaletse le kunutu cause kutle ba re o na le kunutu ka batswadi ba ka. Ne ke khopela o thusa o kutulele le kunutu le.
Uyamazi lo mntwana mama?
Ke thomile ngwana se je hodile a lekana.
O ka gona go mo thusa jwang?
Nna ngwana e no re ka re ke ngwana o. Mama hae wa reng ke mama hae. Na re sna peace na nna ka.
O mo godisitseng.
O mo godisitse na nna ka. Aba chief ngwana re sa moitso. Ngwana o topile ke mogala ba ka le batho ba nantse le bona ko morago. So e ba topa ngwana yena Ellen a motjea. Mola motjere ngwana le na mo phidisa ka montleng a sa estrateng na tse ke transport ya sekolong a boya mo khiela ka mojarateng re sa gone mo go special re yena ngwana wa motjea a tšea moratho ka wa ngilatelang ne ke nna le yena ka ya ba papa he ngwana a mo sene
so ne a pretend nka re ke papa ke monna hae khanti hana monna
ya sena le moratho ka po special ibile dilo je dintsi di story je dintsi
sure
ene kana go no sna hore nna nka botsisa hore ke mangala tlhile ngwana go morao ne ke na le bahiri le bana ba sekolo wa bona henke be ile na kona ye ngwana o la re ile ra nyaka information sa le ka pele so a tshela ngwana la tot a ba re sentwa tsa mayo nna gardens
ke bere ke wa ne le sa utlwane wena le mama
no elene na tella na rata o no rohana sala ba a re yena o na le matlozi a thuba mafastera tla di-gating tša rena di a dithokosa a thuba lefestere la ka mo next door a re ke loya le mme wa ka mo next door
a re lona la moloya
a ema mo gating a rogana di a dithokosa di a dilo tše dintšhintši le re sa utlwane.
okay alright mama ke kopa go mo bitsa ngwana so that o mo tlhalosetse because yena o na le hope ya gore there is something o itsebang e ka kgonang gore e mo thuse a kgone go tseba gore
ke lata ke tshepile gore le banyana ba ne ba nna ka monna ba ka dumela ntho eo ka gore ke crime ya o latlha ngwana wa bona nke be le nako na ela
la lona ka yona ka nako
ra nyakisisa e sa le ka pela gona benong ke lata.
okay re kopa o mo jwetse mama and then gore le yena a be le peace
no re tlela le makunutu le sa re founela pele wa
ke yena mama Mnisi Mpho, when did you find out ukuthi umama Helena asi mama hao
Nele ka 2011 le di social worker ba botsa mama gore tshwantse re ampotse nnete.
Oh, so they told her gore tshwantse a botse nnete. Okay, so I'm here Mpho on Rumile ke mdlaletse Mnisi video ya hao and ha ke kopa gore fela o bue le yena o thole gore au arabe the questions that you might have.
Na my first question ne ke nyaka go botsa gore banyana ba ne ba rentileng ko wena ka 1998 ke bo mang? O kgonne ba la Dorcas Aniki Matlodi. Le Thogo a nkare la mathomo o romeletse ko Thogo wa re o bereka Department of Education ko Mpumalanga re mo latile a ebile ra mo lata re mo founetse le mama and then or a wa fela pila then wa tla wa re mama ka ikebe e le Dorcas le yena ra mo lata but ha ona nnete e kile
itse nna nka tla ka bolela mmaka ke nyako bolela mmaka wa itse tabe pila e rile ke mama hao wa itse nkebe nako na ela ba o topa le he nkebe dikgwedi or ngwaga banyana ba lena ba le teng sone bana re sa itse lo banna ko ka rena contact le banyana ba a rena yona at all go se ke mama ba siaka ene nna nkile ka rata gore nka itse mama hao a ba nkisa di-social worker ba lata ka mola sa le ka latiwa nna ke nyako itse gore wa o kheletse ngwana o sa nyako gore a tswelele mo strateng ile tsa di-social worker tjatla social worker tjala tsang ke ra ka ba botsa gore la tsa re ke motho o la ebile ngwanola o tlo saenela ke ngwana ko hae gore ke papa hae social worker tjala tsang tloela nneso wa fela ona mo ele nna sa nyako utlwa selo gore ele nna di dilo for yena not ana sa nahanele ko pele gore go tlo diregala eng ka wena so ne beno go thato bo bona le wena blame elene na pila a ke teng o itse a ke teng ile wa itse leng ka re ke a banyaka mabitso a bona go no tshwana
but o kgonne go romella ko Thogo la mathomo
a ke re beno nne le mpha pressure ngwe ke sa inyakeng elene ebile go tlena a ke tshepole ka ke itela ke tatswa ka takamo wa bona e ba ile ba re wena e le wena Mpho ke tswile ka gore wa itse ke nkutlela botlhoko bophelo bo phela sa itse mama ha
so can I need one last question for Mnisi wa opela na go re tlile ka mo Auschini ka mo o bile o kreile mama le Auschini ba ntse ko morago o nkreile ke ntse mo sofeng wa fitlha wa ntshwa o fitlhile wa ntshwara tlhogo wa ntebela wa re ke ene o itsetse bjang gore ke nna if a o itsetse bjang gore ke nna Mpho
nna o godile ke sa utse
mare dete o fitlhe wa ntshwara tlho wa njekisa wa re and ke ena no ra gore
Ke taba ya neng
ne ile taba ya 2021 no 2020 shortly before Richard a tlhokofala because ne re tlile re tobelela gore re ra bjang taba ya di-DNA o tlile Mnisi o kry-ile bo mama ba ntse ko morago o nkry-ile ke ntse ke le one ka mbantlong a njekisa a na re ene ga fitlha ntshwara tlho a re ene ke ena
mara ona bena o tšhentšhitše thata sa bona gore ke ba mang ne ke nagana gore ke to bona ko
mara ka 2020 no mo recognize So o mo bone jwang ka 2020?
ne lona ke mmona
Ke tlo re bone
ka
jwang gore ke ye.
2011 ne lona ke mmona o bolela nnete le ena na thoma mpona na sa itse motho mo squareng ngwana tsomele sa itse motho.
Okay. So mama ke kopa re try go mo thusa. Ne? Ore banyana ba ne ba le 5 akere. Ke kopa mabitso a bone gore ne le bo mang ba tswa ko kae.
a o mongwe o belegile ngwana ke Mmapula na tlhale Petersburg mo Komene.
And then
So
o
go
mo
Dorcas a ke itse
Dorcas yena ko kae?
Gardens le
O ko Gardens Dorcas.
Mm.
Ke mang sefane sa hae? Ke Metsi. Okay. O kile wa bua le Dorcas. A reng Dorcas?
Dorcas e re mlatile ko sekolong ba re fitla mara a ra kry-a nako e ntšha o bolela lena cause na le ko mmerekong a principal a nagang gore re bolele mara o file nako e nnyane so re motsisitse gore na nna ka mamosina a dumele a re mara yena wa ba itse banyana ba eno ba a sana contact le bona.
And then ha le mo botsisa gore o teng ko bone who was pregnant ka nako eo.
O itse re ena a bona motho.
Okay, so ke Dorcas wa bobedi. And then ke mang o mong mama?
ke Irene o mongwe
Irene ke mang sefane sa hae?
wa mphatlhela.
Okay.
O
La tseba gore eno ko kae no? Okay, and then o mongwe wa boifo?
sa mo pula ngwana.
So taba e ya gore mama wena o re tlo ba botsa nnete ha o ka tla le konoto e tswa kae?
ya le konoto yona sanka ya le konoto ele ne sala mfounela mpotsa ile gore yena o tla ntlisetsa le konoto ga re bile o ka tla wena o lebelele nna nka se
Because ke utlwile ba re wena o rele wa taba wa itseba mara o tlo intsha ha o tla le konoto.
ke elene ke ena a ileng ko di-social working a botsa social worker gore yena o tla ntlisetsa le konoto.
Okay, kopa o stepe o tswe hanyane mama. O tla go tla ke Mama Helen.
Hello Ifa.
Allo
Ninjani mama?
Sikhona njani?
Siyaphila ma. Masifika la umamnisi uthi yena i-information akanayo. And yena umuntu bekalwela ukuthi iqiniso alitholakale from ikudala. But wena umuntu boyilwisa leyo nto to a point that even umntwana bamazi because bathi wena umntwana bomkhiyela endlini. So ngicela mhlambe nikhulume for the sake of umntwana lo umpho. Sibona ukuthi is there anything that can come out of this? Ngicela nike nje nixoxisane ezabo mama.
Ka ba re mpho nna sa dlalele ko strateng.
o se ka re utlwa ba elene ke ntho
Ke re ke botsa okay fine.
ke ntho eno o e dira ke re wa itse
O ka re ha mpona ke nna ngwalo le nna sa je monate na kwata. Ke ra nna.
pila wena a o bolelele ebile nke ke tsebile gore o teng ne ka se
Nka se metle.
komphile ngwana wena mantswa wa boletseng monna angheda
Ka reng?
ha ona lentswe le le pila le sankile wa bolela le
Se
nna
le ka re mo
wena bile ne nka setswe gore ne ke no go ba tshekisa straight o ntebeletse wena ha ka o bona ne nka setswe ene le taba ya makunutu nna ke rile ke tla bolela nnete ya makunutu a e tla gore ke wena o boditseng social worker gore o tlo nlata le makunutu
I never had a relationship with you.
ne kile wa nna gating ya ka wa di dithoko tsa gogo o thuba mafastera a ba o mpotsa re ke loya le mme wa ka mo next door
yona sa le ka e bolela.
o mpotsa re ke o rola mo ka onoroko mo strateng mo ka marame
Nna mpile 5 rand.
No loile.
O la ka birthday ya.
nna ne ke le ka ya o fa 5 rand
A ke itse maybe le tlhakana boshio. A ke itse re le tlhakana nna ko mang.
o helene ke nna ke tshwantse ba go wetse ko makunutu wena
Ngicela ukubuza la. Nicabanelani nina no bawuthu?
ke ntho e ko botsang ke re elene since a no fitlhile mo a sanka re no ratana re no ba le peace a mpotsa gore nna straight kore straight nna ke ya loya le mme wa ka mo next door
So bazali bami into enixabanisayo ukuthi mama ucabanga ukuthi umama bekakuloya nomama wase next door.
Ya loya ikothuko.
Lilukisa jwang gore le gone o thusa ngwana? Because nnete ke gore ngwana a istiswa ko huma kwena. Akere ngwana ha ga tsebe gore mama ha ke mang. Mara le suspecta the ladies so lona lilukisa jwang gore le gone go berekisana re tlo gona go thusa ngwana.
Ene taba ya gore ngwana kwa Richard Rasi Selby wa gopola yona.
ke boditse ko wena nna ke utlwe mo wena
So mama ke kopa o botsisa here for the last time, is there any way in which o ka kgona go re thusa gore re thole even if ke mabitso a banyana bale le gore ne ba tswa ko kae? Ba o ba tsebang gore ba tla any information o na leng yona ka bone, are you willing gore o re thuse ka information eo?
wena ene no isu blame no ka re ke na le makaka ka wena no ba ke tshwane le wena ena sanga ka tshwana le wena na ke ha mesele e ke tseba mama ko wena.
So there is no information.
Ha ka bona le kunutu le maybe a ka tlhagella mara a ke sure because ntwe ke ya gana wena ona motho a ka dumelang gore o latlhile ngwana tse gore o latla ngwana ke drive wa tswana.
Mama ke kopa ho lebogana ka hao.
Ke nna ke le
Ra leboha haholo. If there's anything o ka kgonang gore thusa ka yone, even if o kopana le dilo maybe ha o phutha re kopa mama re tsebise. Ra leboha haholo mama. And we can't force her to say something that she doesn't know. I believe her as a woman, as a mother, if honestly, ne a tseba something mara ke mo tsebe hape, ne a tlo bua. So ke batla o tseba, knowing everything that you know now, o feel jwang?
Bola ka santse le botlhoko cause ne ke te potsa re samwe ka taba e but o lokile tla no tlohela.
Ke tla le nna ya ntja ke le ka feta go kotsa ka be ke ba botsisa ba ba ntumela go o so mo ka re ke PA ya magistrate a ba mpotsa no mposetse e le o mogolo re mmotsa re na le lead a ke re ba no khoto ya khona supita e ba mpotsa ba re no re ka se tse from wena case impo ka re setse e le adult a ya go ditsusa re ke ba mo fe file se file ya ba mo le report de batle so langa re fitse ba bitsa batho ba khoto ina le matla yo gore e tlo ba last resort ya rena.
I think if you can, Mpo, if that's what you need, I think no, it's a matter ya gore sit down by yourself, if you need counseling, we can assist with that. But sit down, think about what do you want and the reasons for wanting that. If you feel I need to know who my mom is, who my dad is, I think naturally we all want that. Because you know I come from a parent, they're supposed to be a mother, they're supposed to be a father. But mama, papa, what about me? But I'll repeat and say, God blessed you with a mother that you needed. She might not be your biological mother, but she is the mother that was even better than your mother. And Mama, thank you for being a mother that she needs, a mother she never had. And I believe that you are more than the mother that gave birth to her. Is there anything else you want to say? You will be. Ne? Okay. Thanks, my baby. Ngokukhulu kuyithoba ngizocela kuwena mbukeli lapha ekhaya. Abantu bayakhuluma. Kungenzeka umama wengane uke waxoxela someone somewhere somehow.
It was a cloudy morning in Gauteng when we met Mpho, a young woman in her late 20s, sitting quietly under a tree outside her home. Her eyes told a story of pain and confusion, a story that started many years ago, long before she even knew what truth and lies were. Mpho grew up believing she was the daughter of the woman she called Mama Thandi. Life was not perfect, but it was filled with moments of warmth and care. Mama Thandi provided for her, took her to school, and protected her like any loving mother would. But in 2019, Mpho's life changed forever when she discovered a secret that would shake the very foundation of her identity. She found out that the woman she called Mama might not be her real mother. The truth came out through whispers and arguments she overheard at a family gathering. Someone mentioned her name and said, "She doesn't even know who her real mother is." Those words burned into her heart. From that day, Mpho's world became filled with questions that no one seemed willing to answer. She started noticing the strange silence around her. Every time she asked Mama Thandi about her childhood, about her real birth, the woman would avoid the conversation or get angry. Mpho tried to stay calm, but curiosity and pain grew stronger each day. Why is everyone hiding the truth from me? She would ask herself. She looked through old photos, birth certificates, and even went to Home Affairs to check her documents, but something didn't add up. The records were incomplete, and the name listed as her mother seemed to have been added later. That deepened the mystery. When we arrived to help, Mpho welcomed us with a quiet but hopeful smile. She said, "All I want is the truth. Even if it hurts, I just want to know who my real mother is." We went to see Mama Thandi, hoping she would help us understand what was going on. When we arrived at her home, she was sitting outside, looking uneasy. As soon as we started asking about Mpho's biological mother, her expression changed. She said calmly, "Mpho is my child. I raised her. That's all that matters." But when we pressed further, asking if she gave birth to her, she became defensive. "You people like stirring things. I took care of her when nobody wanted her. I gave her a home. Why are you trying to destroy that?" Her words carried pain, and maybe guilt. We could sense there was a hidden story, something that Mama Thandi didn't want to face. Neighbors whispered that many years ago, Thandi took in a baby after a woman from the nearby township gave birth and disappeared. Some said the mother was very young and afraid. Others claimed she was from a wealthy family that didn't want to be shamed by an unplanned pregnancy. But no one had proof. Mpho cried as she listened. "All my life, I thought I knew who I was. Now I don't even know where I come from." We tried to speak with older community members, hoping someone would remember something. One elderly woman said she remembered when Mpho was just a baby, but she couldn't confirm who brought her to Thandi. She only said, "There was a lot of secrecy that time. People were afraid to talk." As the investigation continued, Mpho's emotions became heavier. Each visit, she seemed more restless, more desperate for answers. We could feel her pain. She wasn't just looking for a name, she was looking for her identity, her roots, her history. We encouraged Mama Thandi to tell the truth. We told her, "Mpho deserves to know where she comes from. Keeping this secret will only hurt her more." But Thandi stood firm. "I promised someone. I can't say anything. The truth will destroy lives." That sentence left everyone silent. It meant there was a truth, but one locked behind guilt and fear. We tried reaching out to possible family connections, but no one came forward. Mpho decided to do a DNA test with a woman who claimed to be her aunt, but the results came back negative. That was another heartbreak. Through tears, she said, "I'm tired of searching. I just wanted to feel where I belong." Even though we didn't find the full truth, we saw how this journey had changed Mpho. She had learned that sometimes, truth is hidden not because people don't care, but because they're afraid. Afraid of shame, afraid of pain, afraid of what the truth might do once it's known. As the day ended, Mpho stood at the same tree where we first met her. She looked into the distance and said softly, "Maybe one day the truth will come out. Maybe one day I'll meet her. But for now, I'll keep moving. I'll keep living." Her story reminds us that not all journeys end with answers. Some end with strength. And as the sun set over Gauteng, we knew that Mpho's story was far from over. The truth is still out there, waiting for the day it will finally be revealed.